Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for a Venmo account. If you are trying to get started with Venmo, then here's how you can do it. First, open a preferred web browser or simply open up Venmo application on your preferred device. Once you open up your web browser, go to the search box and type in www.venmo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Venmo is a popular mobile payment service owned by PayPal. It allows you to send and receive money easily between friends, family, and acquaintances. Now, from this official web page, if you want to get started and create a new Venmo account, click on the Get Venmo button at the top right. This will then take you to a new page from where you can choose whether you would like to create a personal account or a business account. Make your choice and click on Get Started. Now, you'll need to enter your phone number. Type in your correct phone number so that you can confirm it is you who's trying to create a new account. After typing in your phone number, click on Send Code. Now, on the next page, enter the verification code sent to you via this phone number's SMS. Enter the code that you received in the text box via SMS. Click on Confirm it. Once you enter the correct verification code, you'll be taken to a new page. Add and verify a bank account or card to send and receive money, and follow the prompts and customize your profile. Set up security features, and you'll be able to complete your sign up for Venmo.com account. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.